Choosing new internal doors that match your home renovation budget can be challenging. So for those of us looking for the most budget-friendly option, Doors Plus has some great options. If you only want the door itself and are happy to arrange the fit and finish with a contractor, you can get a single hollow core door for under $100, but please check our website or visit us in store for the latest price. However, whilst that may be the cheapest from a budget perspective, the easiest option is a fully finished door in a standard size, ready to hang. The Doors Plus Nova door is a hollow core construction with a white melamine skin that doesn't need painting, a fantastic budget-conscious choice. The benefits of choosing this option are, they have a simple and versatile style, there is no need to paint, they are easy to wipe clean, they are ready to hang and also lightweight and durable. The cost of doors really comes down to the size, material, style and configuration of your door, as well as the condition of your existing framework and any hardware requirements. At Doors Plus, many of our packages include installation, so there are no unexpected costs further down the line. Once you have visited the showroom and discussed your door options, we can come to your home to fully understand your specifications, measure up, assess your existing doors and framework, and provide an accurate quote for the job, so you know exactly where you stand up front. For more great advice, check out our other videos on DPTV. Doors Plus, no fuss.